This
Fine.
conference
So
will now be recorded.
today we'll learn 2 to 3 items. First of all, the first item is simple. The how to write first Java program using Notepad. Let me increase the font size. Yeah, I think you can see the font size now. It's good. Then we'll see how to save Java program. Hope everyone is having JDK installed in your system because already I have taken the session. If you have any difficulty, please let me know. So, how to save Java program, how to compile Java program, how to compile and execute Java program, and next thing is I'll show you, as I told you in the demo class, why Java is very much secure, sorry, and platform independent like this. What is the meaning of this, that I'll tell you. And after this, yesterday we have seen get and post method, and from REST API we'll try to manually through Postman we'll try to complete this put, patch, and delete, and we'll see the corresponding response. So here I am just giving you the overview of REST API, like how HTTP method works, all these 5 methods, and what would be the responses. Same thing we will be automating using REST assured. In that we have to learn a lot of things like parameters, key values, authorization, bearer token, auths. These all things we will do and will automate using Java and REST assured. And finally we will develop a framework, REST assured Serenity BDD framework. So let's, because already I discussed, so let me check, because I have also uninstalled the JDK because some of the students were facing some issues. So let me check whether I have set the correct environment variable or not. And then I will start writing a Java program. Just it will take hardly 1 minute. So let me check. Yeah. So here, that's fine. Now as I told you, to set the path, we should give the directory of JDK bin directory location. So where I'll go to Java program files, C drive, program files, right? And here we'll get the Java folder. If we have a Java installed in our system, yeah, this is the Java folder. In this JDK 1.8, 1.8 is there. So I'll go to JDK bin directory. If I have to set the path, two, three options are there. I am just touching the user environment variable to set the path here. And again, we have to set the class path. And here we'll get the location of lib directory, JDK lib directory. So here, just go to lib directory and we'll give the path of, to set the class path we will do this, we need to set the JDK library directory. Already I have told in the second day before yesterday, but still let me check. Yeah, and let me open the command prompt. Say why we are setting any path to the environment variable? To just make sure we can access any software from command prompt. So environment variable is acting like a central place, one common place where it will point to all the software if you have given the path there. Whatever software path you have given, it will point to that from any directory, from any location, you can access it. So Java C is a compiler in Java, and Java is an interpreter in Java. These things I told you. So now let's start. Let me open one notepad. I will take notepad E. You can take notepad or edit plus anything. First 7 to 8 class we have to work on notepad. Why we will use notepad, that reason also I will tell you. Why we write Java program in notepad from beginning, and after 7 to 8 class we'll move to Eclipse or IntelliJ. Now here the answer is, I'll tell you right now only, we'll get the root cause of any error more readable and understanding, right? So that's why we use notepad. Now I am using one notepad. Here I am going to write first Java program. So guys, just understand, to write any Java program, I will teach you what is class and all, but first here I am just telling because I have to save the Java program, I have to compile and execute. To do that, I have to write a Java program. So any Java program, you can start with class, give the class name, any class name. This class name, I am writing the syntax here. You write the class name, that is any name you can write, and here you must write in the beginning first 4 5 class. After that you will get to know the meaning of what is the meaning of public, what is the meaning of class, each and everything meaning we'll discuss. 1 hour lecture is there in each and every keywords. So because I have to teach you today like how to write a Java program, how to compile a Java program, how to save a Java program, and what error we can get, that is my intention. And after that, why it's platform independent and how much it's useful. So here, if you will see, now you can interrupt me if you are not understanding. So here I am writing just one main method. In Java, the main method will be written like this. Just understand this much. Here in bracket you write string, and here you will see args is written. You can write any name here, anything you can write it here, but let it be args only. Now here in Java, so this is a class will start with left flower bracket, left curly braces, and it will end also with right curly braces. Same way, the method in Java will start with right flower bracket and it will start with left flower bracket, it will end with right flower bracket. Same way, class will also start with left flower bracket, it will end with right flower bracket, right? And to print anything as an output, if you want to print through this program, if you want to print anything, just you have to write system dot out dot println, and I am writing welcome to Java. So in Java program, whatever you will write in this double quote, same thing will be printed as an output. You will get whatever you will write, this system dot out println, nothing, but it's a command. It's a command to print output on the console. Okay, and this is your main method. That's it. Only this much you have to write. Class name can be anything, any name you can write it here. Let's say I'm writing class name as a REST API, right? Now this I have written, and I want to how to save the program. Now next question is how to save Java program. So either you can click on here, file, save or save as, and then save or save as, or shortcut control S you can do. So you can select any folder where you want to save this program. So let's say I am using C drive, I am creating a new folder, and no, here I don't want. I want to go to C drive, and here I want to create one folder, and folder name I am giving REST API batch 2. So this is my folder. Here I go, and here I should save the program. In the beginning I should save this Java program by any name. You can save by any name, but for time being just you save this program whatever class name is there, by the same name you should save. So here in double quotes you save it, rest whatever class name is there, just save it, dot java. How to save Java program? Using dot java extension. Give the class name or any name, dot java. That is the answer for this question. How to save the Java program? Answer is using any name or file name dot java extension. So in bracket I am writing with dot java extension we should save the Java program, and we can give any name to the Java program. I'll tell you what's the difference. But while saving, make sure you are writing in double quotes. You are saving this program .java in double quotes. What is the reason? Because sometimes this window will consider this .java file as a .txt file by default. So that's why for better precaution, even if you will not give also, there is no issue. But for more safer side, if we are writing in double quotes, it means that the boss, whatever file you are saving in .java only. This is Java file only. So that's why I have written a double quotes, put the double quotes here. Now save this program. Now this program is saved. See, you can use any simple notepad also. You can use notepad E or notepad plus plus or edit plus plus. Any editor you can use it. There is no constraint here. You can write a Java program. Now after saving, I will go to this folder where I have saved the program. So here I think I have saved the like rest something I have given. REST API batch 2. Go to this folder. Just click here, write cmd. Directly it will go to this command prompt will open with this directory. See here, I am in REST API batch 2 location now, and where I have my Java folder. So now see, my program is saved with .java extension. Can you see the file type is Java, right? Now the next question is how to compile a Java program, because anything you write in a program, it must be compiled. Why it must be compiled? To check whether any syntax error is present in the program or not, or whatever user has written this line of code, is there any issue in this program or is it correct? That is the job of compiler. It will check where everything, let's say if I will miss the semicolon, then it will throw an error like that. Okay, instead of system, if I remove s, then it will throw, and compiler will catch this error, boss, this is not correct, or some illegal start of expression or some illegal statement like that, they will throw the error. So that's why compiler is very much important to check the any syntax error or any grammatical mistakes in the program or not, whether this line 4 lines of code, this 9 line of code is following the Java standard or not. For that reason compiler is required in any language, right? Python also compiling happening, but internally it happens. It's an interpreted language. Directly you will get the output. But here you must compile the program. After writing, you do any modification, you must compile the program, right? So that it should check whether my program is written correctly or not. That is the use of Java compiler. So here I will write how to compile execute. So first of all, compiler means to check syntax error or grammatical mistakes in the program written by the user or programmer, right? Now what is the command to compile a Java program? How to compile? Syntax is Java C. This is the compiler. Actually, Java C means Java compiler. It is a software in Java which is used to compile any Java program. So, what is the syntax to compile? Java C, and here you need to write file name dot Java. That is how you can compile the program. So, as I told you in the first class, if you will see the notes, I don't know I have or not. Let me check. Yeah. So, yeah. So I told you high level language and all. So here we'll go. Yeah, I have told each and see Java C. Okay, fine. If not seen, then I'll tell you here. So what will happen? Let me open the paint here. I'll tell you one more thing. See, you can understand it here more easily. So any program you write using C, C++. I don't know why it's, yeah. So any program here, let's say this is my second option, right? This is my third option. Anything? Yeah, fine. So whatever layers are there of any programming language, we do have a layers. So this is first layer, this is second layer, this is third layer. So let's say if I am writing any program and the program name is hi.c, any C or C++ program we will save with .c extension. Any Java program, just now I have shown you, I will save it as a .java extension. So let's say my file name is hi. So I have saved the Java program. Let's see java.java, and here this is my C program. So any program first it will be written in high level language, means simple English language. Whatever you have written it here, this is a simple English language. Can you see that? This is anyone can read it. This is called a high level language. So here I have written program. Now this C.C program, this will get converted into middle level language. Middle level language. This will get converted into middle level language or assembly level language. So here what second layer will be, after compilation, it will get converted into assembly level language, right? So here language, yeah, and this is compilation. Here we are compiling the program. Any program must be compiled. So after compilation, it will get converted into assembly level language, which will be like this. Internally it happens. Move H, BH, something register to register transfer. Then finally, this assembly level language will get converted into low level language. That is called binary level language. Low level, or you can say Binary level, how binary will be 0s or 1s, or 1s. Fine. Now same thing, let's say here is your client. Just for understanding purpose I am telling you this. Let's say here is your client, your for whom you are working in software company or anywhere. He is your client, and you have written a program in C language. So he will ask you, boss, show me what code you have written till now, what you have developed till now. So you cannot share with him this assembly level language code or 0 and 1 low level language, because he cannot understand and he cannot do anything with that. So finally you have to share with this source code. Source code means whatever it's written in English language, high level language, that is called source code. So you have to share this program to him, right? So others can get the logic what you have written inside this, right? By reading this, see here only, if you will read this, you will get some understanding. Okay, okay, he want to print welcome.java, it's a main method and the class name is this one, right? Same way C++, C or C++, you have to share this source code, fine, because you cannot send this assembly level language or low, because they cannot understand it. Now this Java, what is the beauty of Java is here also we have written, this is your high level language. First step, you have written programming high level language, that is, just understand this. Here the reason why I'm telling, which very much, this is high level language. After compilation, once this program is compiled, this Java program, once it will get compiled, then it will get converted into dot class or bytecode. It will not get converted into assembly level language. Here it will get converted into, after compilation, once program is compiled, it will get converted into dot class file, or another terminology is called bytecode, and then it gets converted finally into 0 and 1s. Any language, finally it gets converted into binary level only, because CPU understand only the language which is in 0s or 1s bit format. So what will happen, if client is asking, same client is asking, boss, what do you have written till now, what you have developed? So these guys are very smart. What he will do, just 1 second, here what he will do, he will not share this high level language whatever it's written in the English text. He will, what he will share, he will share this dot class file. This dot class file will be shared to the client. Boss, you take this dot class file of this source code, simply run in your machine, execute this. Here we will get the output, but you cannot understand what is the code written behind this, what is the logic behind this. So that is called bytecode. Only dot class file you share, they will get the output, but they cannot see what exactly you have written in the logic. Okay, so that's why it's very much secure language, and mostly it's used in the server side programming, server side. Okay, but here if you will share this part to client, they will not understand. But this dot class file, okay, here also not understandable, but at least you can execute directly and get the output of this source code. That is first thing. That's why Java is very much secure language. Second part is, you simply take this Java program, and let's say you have written this Java program in Windows family, Windows 10, 11, whatever. You have written this program in Windows. Now same program you copy and paste into Mac or any Ubuntu machine or Linux machine. It will work as expected. Simply go and just execute it. It will get executed. There you don't need extra compiler, download and install to run this program. No, simply this hi.java, you copy or hi.class, you put into any system, it will get executed, any one of the operating system. But same program, in whatever written in C++, if you take copy and paste into Mac and Linux, then different compiler you have to download and install, then only this program will get executed in that specific operating system. That's why Java is a platform independent language. Here we don't require different software to run the same program. In pen drive, simply copy this program which is written in Windows or this .class file and paste into a Mac system or Linux system, it will get executed. You can see the output. You don't require extra compiler or others, anything software. That's why Java is a platform independent language. Is it clear? Yeah, this point is clear, everyone. Guys, whatever I shared, is it clear? Not clear? Then okay. Rahman is yes. Others, please let me know. Akash, okay. Fine. If you have any doubt to understand this, please ask, don't worry. So this is question why what I told you in the first class. I told you Java is platform independent and very much secure language, right? Why? So answer, you got it right. Answer. Now I will show you practically also. So here in this folder you have saved this program on REST API.java file is there. Just go and compile it. You will see the same process. After compilation, what happens? All in this program, whatever class is used, it will get converted into .class file. So now see, I will open this folder as well. Here till now only Java file is there. Go and compile this program. So how to compile the Java program? First syntax already I have given it here. How to compile a Java program? Java C filename.java. So here you go, and I am opening this folder, opening this command prompt, and I am compiling this program. So till now only one file is here, right? Now I am writing Java C, and what is the file name? REST API dot Java, and just hit enter. Once you will hit enter, means compilation is done. Class file will get created of this class. Just hit enter and see .class file got converted. Here REST API .class file is generated. If you open this, try to open this, it is not understandable exactly 100. Can you see that? No, but it is executable. So now come here, how to execute Java program. How to execute Java program. So syntax is Java. Java is a interpreter. This Java is a interpreter here, which is used to execute the program line by line. Java, and simply you write here class name. Class name. That's it. So what is my class name in this program? My class name is REST API. So if I'll go here, see, and for this REST API, already we have a .class file generated after compilation. It means I am executing this one, REST API. See here, I'll write here Java, and simply I'll write REST API. No, don't write .class, simply class name you have to write here and hit enter. So here I got error because I have issue in my environment variable. That's why I am facing this issue. Because day before yesterday I have uninstalled Java. It was set, everything was there in my system, and I have set, I have removed each and everything. That's why here I am facing the issue, right? So let me go and check environment variable. You people should not get, what is the way I told you, in the same way you have to do that. So let me check whether this everything is correct or not. If not correct, then I have to take another way, like in system variable I have to set the path and class path. Okay, so here I will go. Okay, I will go here, I will new here one another way to set a class path. Java home I will give it here, and here What I will give the location of my JDK. Let's go to C drive. Where is my JDK? Program files, Java folder. Where is Java folder? C program files, Java. Can you see Java here? Java program files. First, we need to go to program files. Yeah, this is my program files, and here I'll get the Java folder. Here JDK is there. I'll take this. Control C. I'll go it here. I will set it here. Yeah, and then one more thing we need to do. That is in this one. One path is there. Yeah, here you just edit, and in this, right, 11 all edit set for Eclipse. Now here I'll click on new, and here I will write percentage. What is that, Priya? What I told, what to set here? Priya, are you there?
Percentage Java home.
And then what I told?
Percentage bin, I think.
Yeah, percentage
Backslash.
backward slash, right?
Yeah.
Bin you have to give, and here I have to click on OK, OK, OK. And after setting this class path, again you have to open actually a new command prompt, new instance of command prompt. So I'll go it here, cmd, and here again let me go to that location where my program is saved. Go to the C drive, and here REST API batch. Here is my program. Here let me open new command prompt from here, and here I will write java c REST API dot java. I will compile this, and then I will try to execute this. Yeah, let's see if my environment variable is correct. It will give me the output. So still I have issue. Okay, one more thing. And next step, what I told Priya, we need to delete that, right?
Yeah.
The path and
Class path.
path, right? From user environment variable, correct? This one, this one, this one, and here delete. Yes, do okay. Here this will happen if, because for each and
You
every batch I
you
have to
didn't
uninstall.
delete the class path. Can you please open it again?
Hello, can you all hear me? Am I
Yes, sir. Yeah.
am
Yes,
I
now.
audible now?
Yep.
Sorry guys, some network issues today. Okay. Now let me, okay, fine. So let me reshare my screen. Is my screen visible or I need to share it? Are you able to
It's
see
Yes,
my
visible.
screen?
Yes.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Now let me again, I have to open this. Very bad. Okay. Yeah. One second. Yeah. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 8. Sorry guys, this intermittent issues are there. Sometimes it will come, but not every day. Like in a week, it may happen like this. Okay, fine. So here, let it come now. My network is stable now. Yeah, yeah. Let it come. Just it will take some time. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So now again, let me. I have set the variable, environment variable. Let me go here. Let me open the new command prompt and just let me execute Java C REST API dot Java and Java REST API. Don't worry, in this class, this path issue is there. It will come. Now still I have these issues. Still
You
I
didn't
have
delete the class path. You deleted a different thing, I think.
Egypt. Have I
Yeah.
deleted? Mhm. This is, see, these guys, they got the same issue and I have resolved them. So here Java home I have set JDK, right? After that path is there, and here if you go, I have set this, right? Java home. Is it correct?
In the user variables, you need to delete class path.
I didn't delete.
No,
Yeah, he didn't delete it.
Oh, okay, I didn't delete. I was telling that time only internet gone, right? Network
yeah,
issue.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Fine. So let me open this. Yeah. Oh, Java C. This is how you can compile, and Java REST. This is the command to execute. So right now you can see we got the output, whatever written in the system.out.println. Can you see this? I have written in system.out.println welcome to Java, and the same output I got it. So you don't have to understand what is the meaning of public, what is the meaning of a static. Simply understand in main method just for three classes, 3, 4 classes. The name of main method will be public static void main. Inside this I have to write like this, and it will start with left flower bracket. It will close with right flower bracket. Same way class, it will start from here. This is the exit point, right? And inside system.out.println, whatever I will write in double quote, same thing will be coming as a output on the console. Console means my command. This is how we can, just I told you how to compile, how to save, how to execute the program. And once you will compile the Java program, then dot class file will create it. Again you compile, it will get overridden. That is the meaning of that. Okay, so this is very much basic. Now the next question is, okay sir, I have saved this program name with the class name. With the class name, can I save the Java file by any name other than class name? So what is my next question? Next question is, can we save Java program by any name? Yeah. So answer is yes. We can save Java program by any name with .java extension. With .java extension, right? But okay, in the same line, but while executing, we must write the class name which contains a main method. I'll tell you the story of main method in Java. So here, see, we can save Java program by any name.java, but while executing, we must write class name which contains a main method. So, okay, let me write another program here. Just Control A, Control C. I'll take new program. New program. Here I will write. Let's say I will write class demo. This class name, anything you can write it here. This name, anything, any name you can write it here. Yours name also, it's okay. Now here I am writing Java first program or hello Java. Let's see, hello Java, right? And I will save by any name. I will not save by class name. Second scenario is I will save by any name. So let's say I am writing the program name is, let's say, module1 dot Java. So see, is it true or not? Can I save and compile by? Yes. So is it saved now? Now I will go here on command prompt and here I will compile. So how to compile? Java C file name.java. So what is the file name? Module1. So see, module1.java. So if you go here, see, module1.java is there. Once you will compile, then module1.class file will get created. So see here, go here, click here, and now see module1.class will come after compilation. So here you see module1, sorry, whatever class is there, demo.class name has come. See in this program, while I told wrongly here, class name is demo. So how many class you are writing in this program? All class will get converted into .class file after compilation. So I have compiled this program, this module1.java, and I got the .class file, whatever class is present. Even if you have, let's say, if you have written one more class here, let's say here I have written class D1 or whatever. I'll write here class hello. Let's say I am writing class hello. Simply, this is not a main method, right? And I have saved this program. Again, we'll go and compile. And let me delete this .class file. Demo.class file. I am deleting it here. So generally, how many classes are present in your program? That many .class file will get generated if you will compile the Java program. It doesn't matter, you save by any name. But how many classes are present in this program? Two classes are there. One is demo, another one is hello. So it should get converted into .class file. Demo.class, hello.class, like that. So let me compile again. Java C and file name.java, program name.java, and just go to this folder and you can see it here. See, demo.class file and hello.class file. Understood now? Like after compilation, all the class inside this program will get converted into .class file, or it is also called as a bytecode. Now, the question was, can we save Java program by any name? Yes, we can save Java program by any name. But while executing, we must write the class name which contains the main method, right? So here, if let's say if I will execute by Java and file name, it will not give me the output. It will tell, please define a main method or something it will tell me here. Let's see. Or class not found, something like that. You will get, see, could not find or load main class. Can you see that? Module 1, class not found exception. Means boss, this program is having issue. We are not able to find this class. Means it is not having main method only. And you are trying to execute this. So how we should execute the program? I have written it here. See here. While executing, we must write the class name which contains a main method. So in this program, which class is containing main method? Can anyone tell which class containing main method? Which class is having main method?
Demo.
Demo. So here we should write Java demo and we'll get the output. See, hello Java. So if someone asks, how can we save the Java program by any name? Yes, we can save it. Is it mandatory to save by only the class name which contains main method? No, not required. We can save by any name, but at the time of execution, we should write only the class name which contains the main method. Is it okay? Till now, you have any doubt? Guys, any doubt? No one is speaking anything. You can speak, you can ask, even if you have a very, like, you can say small question. Nothing is small in this world. Everything is having their own importance. So you can ask. So you should ask, like, why, while executing, why you are writing the class name which contains the main method. So what the rule is, why I am writing the class which contains the main method to get the output. What is the reason? The reason is, in Java, always control or execution starts from main method. Always control in this complete program, always first here when you are writing this line, no, this statement, it means here it will go, your JVM will check inside demo class whether main method is there or not. He is very VIP person. That's why in Java, main method is a JVM specific. Means always control will start from main method. So I will put this class, or I will give the importance of this class, this demo class, if and only if it contains the main method. Then only I will execute the program. So that's why when you write Java demo, fraction of second check inside demo, main method is not there. See, instead, if I write Java hello, no. See here, the main method not found in class hello. Please define the main method as public static void main. He is suggesting also. That's why we should compile and execute in the beginning on the notepad and command prompt, so that we can understand the error, and debugging will be very much easy once you will switch to IntelliJ or Eclipse. There will write 100 lines of code. Easily you will get where is the root cause, right? So even I have a two class, but when I try to execute with this class name, it is not allowing. Boss, no, no, no. I cannot load this class. I cannot execute anything from this class because it does not contain main method. Because here I load only that class which contains main method. Because from main method only execution starts. Is it clear or not clear?
So if you have multiple main method, can you have multiple main method
Yes, good
under a
question.
class?
Yeah,
So because we can just have mention all the classes name, right?
Yes, yes, yes. We
So
can
the
have
target
a
will be
multiple main methods. But only one problem will happen. You have to execute separately with different class. Okay, I will
can't you
show you.
just okay, okay.
I will show you. Please, yeah, good question. I was actually supposed to come on that. We can have multiple classes and we can put multiple main methods. But what is the problem? What problem will happen? I'll tell you. Okay, and we'll get the output as well. Do not worry. So in this, do you have any issue till now? Anyone? Any question? One guy have asked. Good question. Nice. Others? If you are not speaking anything, then I have to skip, right? If you understand, then you will speak something. If you don't understand, then now only this is time to ask something. Don't waste. Even one day is very much important. After one day also you leave. At least these things will be there in your mind. 99% people will not teach you these basic things. So I am asking, requesting you, if you have any issue, please let me know fast.
Thank you so much. Actually, it was a good explanation. I learned this information after 1 year. Thanks a lot.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, fine. Now, the next question, what's your name? Joe. Joe, who have asked this question? Can we have multiple methods in each and every classes? Who asked this?
Raman.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Fine, thank you. So answer. So let me write this question also, because this scenario I teach in the class. Now, and if you go to product based companies, no, they will expect these things. Simply Selenium, don't think, okay, take some click method, action method, use that, you know Selenium. No, they are mainly checking your Java skill here. So next question is, can we have multiple main methods in the same program, or in different, or all the classes, or in all the classes? So answer is yes, we can have. Yes, we can have multiple, all classes we can write a main method, and even it will not throw any error. There is no doubt. But at the time of execution, you should be very much alert. Now we'll come to this scenario. Let's do another example. And guys, please wait for another 5 minutes and this scenario will do that. Now, or here only I will try to do. Let's say here also I have a main method. Let's say I'll create one more class. Here, let's say class high. Here also I will write this. No doubt. Yes, I will have a main method and I will change some name like here. Here hello class is there. Hi hello class. I will write hello class. Whatever you will write in double quotes, it will get later. I will tell you the meaning of what is the meaning of system, what is the meaning of out, what a lot of things I will tell you. But just this is a beginning, how to save, compile the program, that only I am telling you. That's it. And no need to be panic here. So here hello class and this is high class. This is high class, so that it will be more clear. So now the scenario is, my all classes is having main method. All classes is having main method. So now let's save this program. Anything you modify, no, you must save it. After save it, you must compile it. You must compile again. So CLS. And now who has asked the question? Now you only tell. I can compile by any name. Whatever program name I have given, by that name I can compile it. Is it correct or not? Agreed?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll write here Java C module 1.java. Yeah. I'll compile it. Yeah. Can you see any error at compile time?
No.
No. Now, how you will execute the program? So you have several classes, all classes is having main method. So I cannot write here in single line Java. I cannot write Java demo, comma, hello, comma, class. Hi. We cannot write like this. This is not syntactically, it will not allow you. See what you are getting here?
The
What
first
you are
one.
getting here?
Yeah, better. Yeah.
Right. So actually, this is not the correct way. Fine. So what is the correct way is we should execute the program by the class name which contains a main method. Okay, so first go. Demo is containing main method. I will write Java demo. I will get the output hello Java. Right here, we got this output hello Java. Now I will go because hello is also containing a main method. So again, I have to write Java hello. So you will get hello class. Can you see that? Again, I have to compile with the execute with the class name which contains main method. So hi class. Again, I will get hi class. Sorry, what is this? Hi is not correct. Class not found extension. What class? Oh, capital HAI I have written. Okay. So Java HAI. Hi I have written like this. So here you will get hi class. So see here, same program you compiled by one name, but you have to execute with different class name. Is it a professional behavior of writing a program?
No, I don't think so. There must be something.
Correct. So we should have only one program launcher in the class. And let's say in a classroom, if everyone will become a teacher, then what is the importance of that class, right?
Right.
Correct. So if we should have only one central point who can handle everyone, and everyone will be in systematic flow. There is a memory management inside Java or Python or Ruby or Perl, any language. Correct. So that's why there is no doubt, there is no crime to write multiple methods in each and every classes, or every class we can write a main method. There is no doubt. In interview also, this is a question for Manhattan. Can we write each class main method? Yes, we can write it. But what will happen at the time of execution? We have to execute as a separate program. Now each class is presenting as a separate program here. Can you see that?
Right.
Right. So that's why we should have, it is highly recommended but not mandatory. We should have only one class which contains a main method, so that it will be the entry point of the whole program. And here it is a program launcher. Is it correct or not? Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
Everyone? Others?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the situation. These all things we can write it. We can say by any name. But so what is the conclusion? Conclusion, I will write it here. So here notes, I will write it here. Finally, I will share all these notes to you guys just after 1 or 2 days. Once management says, I'll share all these notes, programs, each and everything. Meanwhile, you can watch the recording and practice it. So note is yes. So we should see here my note. We should save the Java program by the class name which contains main method. Okay, but it is not mandatory, but highly recommended. Understood? See, we should save the Java program by any class name which contains main method, and it is not mandatory but highly recommended. It is not mandatory but highly recommended. See, I have saved by any name. I didn't get any issue. But if you will save by the class name which contains a main method, then it's easy to compile with the same class name with same this one, right? Same class name you can compile also, with same class name you can execute also if you have saved this program as the same class name. Like first program I have done, if you see the first program REST API, here only one line is required. Okay, Java C REST API dot Java. Again, while executing Java REST API, we don't have to write different class name. Even different class names are there. Let's say class multiplication or mul, right? Class add, so many class. In one program we can write thousands of classes. There is no doubt. Class add or addition, right? We can write several, but if the program is saved by the class name which contains a main method, it's very easy to compile and execute. We'll get the same output. We'll not get any conflicts. So see here, if I compile this first program, I am going to first program now. See, Java C, and I am compiling with the same class name because my file is saved with the class name which contains a main method. So Java C REST API dot Java. Now all the class present inside this Java file will get converted into dot class file bytecode. So yes, see here, all the class addition, mul, all dot class file is created, and I can execute by the same name. No conflict here. See, I got the same output. Is it okay or not? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what, already we are 7 minutes late, but yeah, I will teach you more scenarios. Do not worry for that. Might be some students left in between because I interrupted because of the network issue. My bad. But it's a very important. This is just a beginning, and trust me, you don't have to do any extra things if you are learning here. Okay, and you will be very smart in this programming language. Then any tool, either Selenium or Rest Assured or Karate, anything will become easy. I will remove the dependencies from you guys. You can learn by yourself. No, one time you joined with me, no need to join again and again anywhere. You will become a self independent. So this is what. Uh, any question? Anyone is having any question? Please let me know right now. 1-2 minutes is there. You can ask a question.
No, I'm good.
Good. Others? Yeah. Please ask. Please ask. Any question do you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Do not worry. Everything will share. Still, just I started only how to compile a Java program, how to save a Java program, how to execute a Java program. That only things, and how it gets converted into bytecode. What is the importance of bytecode? Only these things we have learned. I have not told you what is class. What is nothing. I started in Java. Just I have given a flash. After that, I will start with a small variable and data type. Then I will jump to class object. And make sure you will be learning like anything. This you will feel Java here, and then rest assured it's just a 1 week job. That's it. Selenium 1 week job. Already methods classes are defined. Only you have to use. But 75% Java will be used with them. Or any even if you are using Python with Selenium, 75% Python is there. 25% Selenium. Rest assured 75% Java, 25% rest assured. Right. So this is the importance. Anyone is having any question? Priya, Madhu, Isha, Sharmin, Joe, Mahavir, anyone?
No.
Okay, fine. So let's wind up this session and we'll meet